Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your password on Bluesky app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Bluesky app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then go to Settings option. Here, you'll have to find the Account option, then tap on it. In the account settings, tap on the password option. In order to change your password, you'll have to request a code. Tap on Request Code option. A reset code will be sent to your email. You'll have to enter the code in this text box. After you've entered the code, type in the new password. Once you're done, tap on the Next button. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Bluesky password. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.